Tommy. We're talking closets, and I would imagine you have trimmed out a few of these in your day.
I sure have. People go crazy for the closets. They got a lot of stuff to store. But when I was young, you usually had one small closet with a wooden cleat on the wall, a shelf with a pole under it.
It's a pretty good solution. I mean, I guess the only problem with that is once the cleats are in, that's where your shelves are, so you don't have much adjustability.
No adjustability. You know, the easiest thing is to mount these things like these. It's called standards. They come in all different sizes and different colors. You can put a couple up here and move them over here, or you can get long ones and mount them to the wall. You have to screw them to structure, though, because that's what's going to cause them to stay on the wall.
Right, and then once they're in, it's as simple as just sort of putting the bracket in so that you can hang the shelf on it. And this one, you can just go anywhere you want, so you can raise those shelves up or down.
You can use a wide shelf or a narrow shelf,
right.
And you can actually get the shelves pre-finished, so you don't have to rip down plywood or get wide boards and paint them. And these are easy to clean.
Okay. And the key here is that you're actually putting this stuff, as you say, into structure, because it's going to carry all of that weight.
Right. Now, here's a different way to mount them right here. This is a bracket that you mount to the wall, and you find the structure and you screw into that.
Yeah.
Then you take the standard and you put it in this track. Now, this allows you to move it anywhere you want it without worrying about these going into structure.
This carries the weight, the adjustability comes from here. And do you still have to plug these into the drywall?
Well, you want to put something in there. Usually use a rivet like this. You drill a hole, you slip this into the wall, you take the rivet and push it through there, and that holds it into position so they don't swing.
Just stabilizes it, but not carries the weight. That does it up there on the track.
And they have all kinds of attachments that you can attach to the standards too. Let's say you want to mounted ties or something like that.
A basket.
Or a basket, you know, if you want to put a pocketbook or something like that in there.
I was wondering where you kept your pocketbooks.
Yeah, in the closet. Yeah. Then you have wire shelving like this. And these come in all different widths and lengths. And here's one here where you can mount this for hanging your clothes on here, so you can slide them. Or you can hang your clothes right here and the hangers won't move.
And so this just clips in, so you can sort of make this any length you
want.
want.
Again, you have to, it's always good to try to mount it into structure with a bracket like this. You screw it into structure, you snap it into the shelf there.
Yeah.
And you want to support that front, so you have to use a diagonal brace like this that goes into the bracket there and mounts to the wall.
And it's an easy project, right? You go down to the home center, you choose the style and the accessories that you want, and pretty much any homeowner can install these.
Absolutely. It's a great weekend project.